Now see here, the past continuous is used for an action continuing at some named time in the past. The chief interest is not in the time of action but in its continuity. When I saw him, he was playing chess. Means it is telling that it is already in the past, but in the past when you were saying the thing, it was continuing. Means when I saw you, you were playing cricket. When I saw her, she was dancing. Means the work is already in the past, but when we are saying the thing, it is happening. See, when I saw him, he was playing chess. When I was having lunch when he came to my house. Means it is happening in the past, but it was at that time it was continuing. Now see, exercise. Use the simple past or past continuous form of the given verbs. You have to use simple past or past continuous form. I hear that the child shout. Means I heard, here will become heard that the child was shouting. He jumped off the train while it moved. So here ed will be add. He jumped of the train while it was or where will come in past continuous. So while it was moving. I do my homework when he come in. So I was, do will become doing. I was doing my homework when he came in. See, I not see that the teacher stand behind me. So I did not see that the teacher was standing behind me. I sleep in my room when I heard a loud noise. So I was sleeping in my room when I heard a loud noise. The bus crashed when the driver looked at his watch. So the bus crashed when the driver was looking at his watch. Now see, here is Jack's picture. Yesterday he was going to the market. Walk with your partner, ask and tell. Here is the picture of Jack and he was going to the market and you have to make the questions. Was Jack, see first is look sad. So you have to make the question, was Jack looking sad? Go by car. So was he going by car? Wear a hat. Was he wearing a hat? Was or where you have to add an ing. So go to his office. Was he going to his office? Eat an ice cream. So was he eating an ice cream? You have to frame the questions. The past perfect is used for an action completed before a certain moment in the past. So past perfect is used when action is completed in a certain moment. See, I had finished my work by evening. We had reached school before the bell rang. Means it is giving the particular time that before the bell rang we reached school. Till evening we have completed our week. Till afternoon I went there. So it is telling about a particular time the action was completed. Now here use simple past or past perfect. Here you have to not add ing. Only simple past or past perfect. See, I not see him before that. So had not seen. Had will be coming past perfect. So I had not seen him before that. He reached school after the bell go. So he reached school after the bell had gone. She returned the book after she had read it. So she had returned the book after she had read it. After they plucked the flowers, they ran away. So after they had plucked the flowers, it is past perfect, they ran away. I finished my homework before the lights went off. So I had finished my homework before the lights went off. We go to the market after the rain had stopped. So we had gone to the market. It is past perfect. Now see, the future simple is used for an action that is still to place. As I shall see him tomorrow. They will play a match next Sunday. Means the work which we will do, the work which is not done or which is not completed, we are planning to do a certain action, is future tense. And when we are writing simple future, will or shall will be used in the first form of verb. See, will or shall, I will see him tomorrow. Will or shall is used and see is the first form of verb. They will play a match next Sunday. Will is used and play is the first form of verb. Exercise: use the simple present, simple past or simple future form of the given verb. You have to use simple present, simple past or simple future. See, God loves all men, so it is simple present. Es is added. God loves all men. He reach here tomorrow. It is talking about the future, so he will reach here tomorrow. She always speaks the truth, so it is present simple. So we have added s. She always speaks the truth. Last year my birthday fall on a Friday, means it is talking about the past. So we have to, here we will use second form of verb. So last year my birthday fell on Friday. I am going to Delhi. I stay with my brother, means going to Delhi. So I will stay with my brother. It is the work which will be doing. So it is future. This is February. The next month be March. So means this is February, but the next month means the month which will be coming. It is future, and so will be March. Now see, the future continuous is used for an action going on or at some point of future time, means the work which will be going on at certain time. I shall be waiting for you in the evening, means it is on a certain time the things will be happening. They will be playing a cricket match at that time, means a particular time. The future form simple or continuous of the given verb, means you have to use simple future or future continuous. The sky is dark. I think it rained. So means the sky is dark. I think it will rain. We wait for you when you come back. So we will be waiting, means present in future continuous. Will, shall plus be plus first form of verb plus ing. So we will be waiting for you when you come back. He watched TV when you go to his room. So he will be watching TV when you go to his room. He sleeps soundly in his bedroom at that time. So he will be sleeping. It is telling about a particular time. So it will become future continuous. I think they finish the work by tomorrow evening. So I think they will finish the work by tomorrow evening. Now say future perfect is used to show the completion of an action, means it is used to when the action is completion. I shall finish my homework by evening. So means it is telling that the particular person will complete his work on a certain time. So I shall have finished, means till evening he will finish his work. She will have cleaned the room before you reach. That means before you reach to the room, she will clean the room. See, use the present perfect, past perfect or future perfect form of the given verbs. You have to use present perfect, past perfect or future perfect of the given verb. I finish my work just now, means I have finished. It is present, so I have finished my work just now. I finish my work by the time it gets dark, so it is future. By the time of dark, he will finish his work. So I will have finished. Finish will become finished my work by the time it gets dark. I read the book before I returned it. Means I had read the book before I returned it. See, the train come. Try to find a seat for me. So it is present. So the train has come. Try to find a seat for me. I write the letter before she comes here. So I will have written the letter before she comes here. Now see, present perfect continuous is used. Present perfect is used when an action started in the past. It's still continuing. Now see, past perfect continuous is used for an action that began before some named moment in the past and was still continuing. Means before the certain time this action was completing is past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous is used when an action is to continue till some named time in the future. मतलब see, till 6 o'clock means some named time, some time is given, and till that time the work is completed is future perfect continuous. By next December, so till that time the work will be completed, so it is future perfect continuous. So see here the exercise, add since or for. Since 1919, since March, since Sunday, for 5 days. You have to see that whether to add since or for. So when a couple of days or when any days we are talking since last week, for 2 years, since 10 o'clock means when we are telling to complete the work in certain time we will use since. For 10 minutes means the work is still going for 10 minutes. For 4 months the work will be going on for 4 months. Now say use the correct tense form of the given verb. Also add for or since. In these words you have to add for or since. He tried to ring you up dash yesterday, blank yesterday. So since my dad worked in this factory blank 1998. So my dad worked in this factory since 1998. You have to use since or for. Same. The dam was flooded. It rained a week. So the dam was flooded. It has been raining for a week. My brother dig in the garden morning. So my brother was digging in the garden since morning. I read this book blank 2 hours when you came. So I was reading this book since 2 hours when you came. So if you have to make whether or since or for. I paint for 3 hours when the lights went off. So I will be painting since so here the answer is already given. So for 3 hours when the lights went off. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.